had a friend that liked to eat glue. Don't ask me why. Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. My name is FREDJI. I'm so very grateful that you have chosen to click on my videos today. And today, what I got in store for us is I'll be taking you guys on a little journey with me to go create my perfect vision board for 2022. And I'm so excited, even though we are in, what month is this? We're in May. We're in May. I still want to create it because I just started my YouTube channel like 2 months ago, and so this is something that I really need to do. I made one last year. It was cute. It was okay, but I still want to make one for this year, and I'm so excited. I have so many goals that I want to achieve. I have so many things that I really want to do, and the power of manifestation is really real because there were so many things that I manifested this year that I was able to actually achieve because I put my mind to it. I worked hard for it, and I'm so grateful that I'm in a much better place in my life right now. It's only going to go up from here. Just me taking you on this little journey with me, and I really hope that you guys enjoy this video. I would love it if you liked, subscribed, left a comment, tell me what you liked, tell me what you didn't like, tell me what you want to see in the future, tell me what I can improve on. This channel is meant to be very interactive, and I love to hear from my audience. I'm so excited, so yeah, let's get right on into it. Okay guys, I'm at Walmart right now and I'm going to be buying the materials. I need a whiteboard, some duct tape, some other stuff, and then I will get those materials. It might be a time lapse, but it's so weird recording in public. Oh my god. So I'm back. Can I get it?
Wow! Amazing!
Stop it. Yeah, stop. Okay, so I went to Walmart, I went to Walgreens, I got all of my materials. I got a poster board, some duct tape. Got a poster board, some duct tape. What else did I get? Glue. The pictures and everything. Okay, so that's this over here. But first I wanted to show you guys the vision board that I made last year because actually it's kind of cute. I'll just briefly go over this. I had an education category, I had a health category, I had a vision category, a money, and a mind category. Education, health, vision, finance, and mind and body and soul and everything. To give a brief summary about everything that I did, so my education, I said like things like I want to get a 30 on the ACT, raise my GPA, stop procrastinating, get a 4 at the college. That I am. We got more than 50% off, okay? So I'm not even gonna. Health category, I was like, eat less sugar, work out more, like 4 times a week. I actually did. Like a lot of these things I accomplished. Like I stopped procrastinating, I started drinking more water, I started working out multiple times a week. I started my own business. I did Poshmark during like quarantine, and I did really well actually. And so I just stopped it, and I started YouTube now. So hi, here I am. And so, and then my vision, which was like, I'll make my dream car, my dream home, everything. My mind was like, I'll remain positive. I'll focus on my future. Now, all of the mind ones that I did really accomplish. Like I stayed motivated, stay positive, focus on my future, and focus more on God. I didn't do everything that I said I was going to do on it, but I did a good chunk of the things that I said I was going to do on it, and she was on my wall. It was a great reference, but I'll put this on the floor now. Now I'm going to move into the new vision board for 2022. You guys are going to come with me to assemble it, glue it together. It's going to be like a little time lapse. I can't even say this word. Time lapse. Time lapse. Okay. And yeah, let's get on into it. And this is what we are working with here. So I did the same thing like I did, like, well, not the same, I did a similar thing. It was like different categories of what I do in my last vision board to what I'm doing in this one, okay? In the middle, flat down, we have jumping from 2021 to 2022. I think this way, I can't really see that. You know I'm blind, right? Yeah, I'm kind of blind. So, the first little corner right here, this is like my career corner. Oh, that's cute, career corner. Oh my gosh, I get to my career corner. And one thing I manifested this year was to get my real estate internship, and I got it, baby. I got that internship. With that internship, I put a house. This house symbolizes I want to gain as much knowledge as I possibly can within the market, and I want to sign somebody, because in my internship, I know we have like a commission for if we sell a lease, and it's like a certain price point that we have with that one. My hope is to sell a couple of leases throughout my little summer internship job, and I'm so excited. We have some YouTube goals. So this picture right here is like where my channel is currently at. I currently have 23 subscribers, 4 videos, and then this one over here also shows I want to get my first YouTube plaque. Like, I'm so excited for that to come in the mail. Like, come on now. And then I have a little quote right here. It says, "It doesn't get easier, you just get stronger." And I truly believe that. Life don't get easier, baby. You just gain more knowledge, and you just get stronger, and you get more advanced in all the skills that you were doing and everything. Just improve yourself. You know what I mean? Life is about constantly learning and constantly growing, and I stand by that motive all the time. So then in this corner is going to be my mind, body, and soul. This summer and then throughout the year, I want to start going to the gym a lot more, because I do want to lose some weight. I want to get myself in the body that I want to. Not even just about losing weight, about gaining muscle, everything that goes with like getting your body together. I really do want to go to the gym, get my body together. This brand right here symbolizes I want to continue taking great care of like my mental health, my inner well-being, my soul, making sure that I am doing anything in my possibility to keep my mind at peace, keep my soul and body at peace. Because if I'm not at peace, nothing around me is going to be at peace too. I'm not going to have the energy to do the things I want to do. I'm going to be like so anxious, so upset all the time. So this is definitely going to keep me on track to just continue to take care of my mental health and my mental well-being. So in this corner, this top corner, it's my personality corner. I have this big old yes right here because I tend to say no a lot to things, and I really do want to start saying yes to a lot of things and go out of my comfort zone. And then this one, I have a picture of a whole bunch of random people that do not know who they are, because I said I want to start being more social, start being more around people, because I'm kind of an introvert and I'm like extrovert, like I can blend, you know what I mean? And so with college and everything, I'm really trying to figure out my people, my inner circle, like what I want in a friendship, what I want in like relationships, everything. And so it's been a journey. I did struggle with loneliness a lot of the time. Like this year was kind of mentally challenging with like dealing with loneliness in college. This picture really symbolizes like I do have an ideal image of what I want my, you know, my circle to be, the people I want to hang around, things I want to do. I want to have fun. I want to do things with people that I'm happy to be around and everything, and find somebody that can resonate the same energy off of, and then they reciprocate the same back. Like, I'm really big on friendships and trust and everything, and so I'm not the type to just be acquaintances and just be friends with random people. Like, I'm okay having acquaintances, don't get me wrong, but it's like I still need to have that 1 or 2 friends that really know me, you know what I mean? That really see me for who I am. And so it's a good balance, and not just having all acquaintances. Because when you just have all acquaintances, it's not really fun, and it's not really good for your mental health. And so that is why this quote is right beside it, and it says, the right one will find me when it's my time. And so that piggybacks off of this with everything, with relationships, with friendships, with everything. And so I'm looking at this for inspiration whenever I need to just, take a moment, take a deep breath, and just realize everything will come to me when it needs to come to me. In the bottom corner is finances, baby. This year, I want to have the most money that I've ever had on my bank account. That is literally all it is. Get as much money that I possibly can. I want to start investing. That's why this picture of Robin Hood is right here. And then this quote above it that clearly states, if you know you can do better, do it. I'm a hard worker. In college, my work ethic literally spiked off the roof. I did not know I could work this hard. it's kind of scary. Like, I didn't have an off button this year at certain points. I was just going. And it wasn't even schoolwork, it was just personal development, personal goals that I wanted to achieve. Like, schoolwork was easy. If you watched my shameless plug, if you watch my college experience video, you'll see the whole deep dive into like how my first year was. There's a lot of mess happened this first year. The two things that I haven't gone over are these two quotes at the top, and then it just says, I refuse to be anything but successful. And then the second one is, life is hard for two reasons: because you're leaving your comfort zone or because you're staying in your comfort zone. And then finally, the last one is these last two pictures at the bottom right here. Can you see that? Let's put it like this. That one's a picture of a girl on a vacation. She's enjoying her life. She's living her best life. Luxurious. Enjoying life. This year at some point, like, just have a moment to chill, sit on the beach or something, or a seafront, drink some cocktails, enjoy my life. Because I worked so hard this year and I'm just very excited, to be honest. And the second one is just a MacBook, because I really need a new MacBook. Because I got an iPad because it was more of a better investment for me. And so now I need a MacBook because the one I have was from 2012. What year are we in? 2020. And so yes, I need a new computer because this one is pissing me off. So I'm looking forward to that. Okay guys, so this is my board. It's so cute. So thank you guys so much for watching my video. I would love it if you guys like, subscribe, left a comment. Tell me what you like, tell me what you didn't like, tell me what I can improve on. And together we've been making this channel an awesome channel, and that's all that is important. So yeah, thank you so much. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you on the flip side. You don't see the ring light in my glasses. That's the only annoying part. But you look bad.